guys, today I'm going to teach you how to write quick step-by-step guides using guides to docs. So let's start recording. Okay, I want to go here. I want to highlight this part of this page, and I'm primarily interested in this text. Go to Eminator. Okay, we're here, and let's change something on this page. Dark mode. Scroll down and select this part. Okay, great. Now I see that we have some issues with selecting, and I don't want to see some steps here. For example, it duplicated due to JavaScript logic of the page. I don't want to see changing to item, blah blah blah, and so on. And I want to code Wikipedia how to navigate. Okay, that's it. I can copy this like steps, right, in text reductor, or I can paste it like rich HTML to apps, for example Word and or other apps that support such functionality, or I can quickly generate Google Doc, how to doc, based on my step. The only thing you need is to authorize. You see the progress? Wait a minute. We are almost here. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, and we are finally here. We can review our generated how-to guide with all the images and steps. We can edit everything what we want, as it's just simple Google Doc. We can share with our friends how we want. We can keep it as it is, etc, etc, etc. So yeah, hope you enjoy it.